When you open up your reader's notebooks today, you are going to find the tab that says Reading List. You'll notice on this page you have a table that says Books to Read. The table includes columns for the title, the author, the genre, and an area where you can check off the book that you've read once you've completed it. Let's say there's a student in our class named Beyonce, and Beyonce is really interested in reading the book Bridge to Terabithia. What she's going to do is she's going to write in the title Bridge to Terabithia, and she's going to put it right here underneath the title. The author of Bridge to Terabithia is Katherine Paterson, so she's going to put her name right there underneath the author, and it's okay if she has to go down on the second line. The genre of Bridge to Terabithia is fiction. Now, once Beyonce has finished reading Bridge to Terabithia, she will come in and she will put a check mark where it says check when completed. This is a great tool to use as you're going through our classroom library to get a list of the books that you think you might be interested in. Happy reading!